बंद कीजिए, हाथ जोड़िए।
Jai Gurudev. Happy morning. Join your palms, close your eyes. Prayer. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwaraha, Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। श्रीब्रह्मानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं विश्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वदे साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुत्वं नमामि। अज्ञानतिमिरान्तस्य ज्ञानाचलचलाकया चक्षुरुं मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावतीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
Thank you, all of you. Good morning, Jai Gurudev. So last class we have done Barakhari of Cha Varga, Ta Varga and Ta Varga. So there are total 5 Varga, Ka, Cha, Ta, Ta, and the last Varga is Pa Varga. So today we are going to see the next Varga Barakhari and the other letters too. So Sadhna ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am, continue.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Happy morning, students. Jai Gurudev. Yes, today we are going to learn Pa Varga Barakhadi. Yeah, this is the last वर्ग, 5वां वर्ग है ये प वर्ग। और प वर्ग के अंदर भी 5 अक्षर आते हैं। There are 5 letters in प वर्ग। प, प, ब, भ, ma. These are the 5 letters of pa varga, and all the 5 letters are having barakhadi because all the 5 letters we've used the matra signs. So for all the letters there is a barakhadi. Now we are going to see the barakhadi for these letters. First, all the swars, because the matra signs are framed using the swar only, and the first letter is pa. For pa barakhadi, first letter as usual, because for a there is no matra sign. Then the second letter is a ki matra. We have to put a ki matra in pa after the letter and it becomes pa. You have to stretch little bit and say pa. The next letter is choti e ki matra. If we add choti e ki matra in pa before the letter, one standing line with one curve up, it becomes p. Adding badi e ki matra, that is one standing line with one curve up, it becomes wait a minute. Yes. When we add choti e ki matra, badi e ki matra, that is one standing line with one curve up, after the letter it becomes p. Adding choti u ki matra, that is below the letter, it becomes pu. Adding badi u ki matra, that is also below the letter, the matra sign will come below the letter pu. Stretch little bit and say. Adding ri ki matra will also come below the letter pri. Adding a ki matra, that is one balloon up, pe. Adding I ki matra, that is two balloon up, pai. Adding O ki matra, that is one balloon up with one standing line after the letter Po. Adding Au ki matra, that is one standing line with two balloon ups after the letter Pau. And Ang ki matra, that is one dot above the letter, above the sleeping line is Pa. And Aha ki matra, Pah. Pang, Pah. So this is Pa varg barakhadi, Pa, Pa, Pi, Pi, Pu, Pu, Pri, Pe, Pai, Po, Pau, Pang, Pah. After P, the letter is F. For pronouncing F, feel the air. The air should come out by pronouncing this letter F. F say fal. Yes, P, F. First letter as usual, there is no matra sign. So as usual, you have to write F. Then you have to add Aki matra. Stretch little bit and say Fa. Adding choti E ki matra before the letter Fi. Adding badi E ki matra after the letter Fi. Stretch little bit and say. Adding U ki matra Fu. Yes, while pronouncing you can see the difference in Pa and Fa. Fa. Air should come out. Yes, badi U ki matra Fu. Ri ki matra Free. So all these three letters, for choti U, badi U and Ri ki matra, the matra sign should come below the letter. After that, A ki matra, that is one balloon up, Fe. I ki matra, Fi, two balloon up. O ki matra, Fo, one standing line with one balloon up. Au ki matra, Fau. Ang ki matra, Fang, and Ah ki matra, Fah. So, Fa, Fa, Fi, Fi, Fu, Fu, Fri, Fe, Fi, Fo, Fau, Fang, Pah. So this is the letter, second letter of Pa varg, F. Fa say fal. You all know that. Now the next test, the third letter is B. No air should come out. Only B. Come from your throat. No air. Okay. Now the next is B. First letter as usual, no matra sign. The second letter you have to add A ki matra and stretch little bit and say Ba. Then choti E ki matra B. Badi E ki matra B. Stretch little bit and say. Then U ki matra, choti U ki matra is below the letter U. Badi U ki matra U. Ri ki matra Bri. A ki matra Be. I ki matra Bai. O ki matra Go. Au ki matra Bau. Ang ki matra Bang. And Aha ki matra Bah. So this is B, third letter of Pa varg. B barakhadi. B, Ba, Bi, Bi, Bu, Bu, Bri, Be, Bai, Bo, Bau, Bang, Bah. So the fourth letter is Bh. Feel the air with the H sound. The fourth, always the second letter and fourth letter of varg, the air should come out. So the fourth letter is Bh. Bh say Bhalu. Yes. So this is B barakhadi. Yes, first letter as usual, no matra sign. Then after that, A ki matra Bha. Choti E ki matra Bhi. Yes, see the difference in pronunciation. The air is coming out by pronouncing all the letters with by pronouncing the letter B with matra signs. Badi E ki matra Bhi. Choti U ki matra Bhu. Badi U ki matra Bhu. Ri ki matra Bri. A ki matra Bhe. I की मात्रा भाई, ओ की मात्रा हो, औ की मात्रा भाऊ, अंग की मात्रा भंग, and अह की मात्रा बह. So this is fourth letter of pa varg bha barakhadi, that is bha, bha, bhi, bhi, bhu, bhu, bri, bhe, bhai, bho, bhau, bhang, bah. So after that, the last letter, that is ma, and ma. Yes. For ma, no air should come out. As usual, you have to say this. Yes. And for first letter, no matra sign as usual, ma. Then adding a ki matra in ma, ma. Adding choti e ki matra in ma, me. Adding badi e ki matra in ma, me. Adding choti u ki matra in ma, mu. Adding badi u ki matra in ma, mu. Adding ri ki matra in ma, mri. Mri or mu. We used to say this letter as ri or ru. Depends upon the word. A की मात्रा में, I की मात्रा my, adding O की मात्रा in ma, mo, adding au की मात्रा in ma, mau, adding ang की मात्रा in ma, mang, and adding aha की मात्रा in ma, mah. So the last letter of pa varg is ma and ma vara khadi is ma, ma, mi, mu, mri, me, mai, mo, mau, mang, maha. Who touched the screen?
Ojasvi 2E. Ma'am, I will share because the screen is very small in the.
Okay, ma'am.
I will share again.
Okay.
कहाँ से लगाऊं?
हाँ यहाँ से ही मैम, ब्लैक बोर्ड तो हो गया. हाँ. So now we are going to sing pa varg. All the letters Barakhadi song for pa varg letters. The first letter is pa. Yes. Pa, pa, pi, pi, pu, pu, pri, pe, pai, po, pau, pang, pah. So this is first letter of pa varg. The next letter is fa. Fa say fal. Your teeth down. Your teeth should touch the upper part of your lip. Yes. Fa, fa, fi, fi, fu, fu, free, fe, fi, po, fau, pang, pah. So this is second letter of pa varg, that is fa. Now the third letter is b. No air should come out. B, ba, bri, bi, bu, bri, be, bai, bo, bau, bang, bah. So this is third letter b. And now the fourth letter is bh. Feel the air with the h sound by pronouncing the fourth letter of pa varg, bh. Yes, bh say bhalu. Bh, bha, bi, bu, bri, be, bhai, bo, bau, bang, bah. See children, if you remember in this way, if you study in this way, it will be easy for you to remember. You will not forget easily this. Okay. Now the last letter of pa varg is ma. No air should come out. As usual, pronounce the letter ma. Ma, ma, mi, mu, mri, me, mai, mo, mau, mang, mah. So this is the 5 letters of pa varg, and we saw all the 5 letters Barakhadi, and this is English spellings are there below the every letters, and we will send this picture to your class groups. You can keep this for your reference, and you help you to pronounce. Yes, the next is pa varg letters with the words. Yes, pa say patang. The first letter is pa say patang. Patang means kite. And the next is fa. Fa say fal. Fal means fruits. Now the next is b. B say bakri. B say bakri. Bakri means goat. And the next letter is bh. Bh say bhalu. Feel there and say bhalu. Yes, bhalu means bat. And the next is ma. Ma say machli. Machli means fish. So these are the 5 letters with the words. Any doubts regarding the pa varg Barakhadi? You can ask in the chat box. Any doubt? P वर्ग बाराखड़ी? Yes, answer in chat box. No. Okay. Very good. You all clear with P वर्ग बाराखड़ी? Same way. Only the letters are changing. Only the letters are changing. Matra sign you have to use in the same way for all the letters. Yes. Very good.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, so how we have learned for the all the Varga Bharakhadi, Ka, Cha, Ta, Ta, Pa, the same matra sign we are following for the all the letters. Only there is a change of letter R. That now we are going to see what is the change in letter R. 1 minute. See children, now after Pa Varga, the next letters are Antastha Vyanjan. They are Ya, R, L, and V. Okay, these four letters we already seen. After Pa Varga, it's Ya, R, L, V. So, for letter Ya, there is no change in matra sign. Whatever the matra sign we have applied for the to ma, all the letters, the same way we are writing for the letter Ya also. But there is a change in Bharakhadi, that is in R letter. Only R letter had some change. So what are the changes? I'm writing R Bharakhadi now. That is R. R को आ की मात्रा रा, र को छोटी ई की मात्रा री, र को बड़ी ई की मात्रा री. Now बड़ी ई की मात्रा, after that we always give O ki matra. Yes, and how we are giving O ki matra? We always give O ki matra like down. Yes, like this. But only for letter R, this is wrong. We should not give O ki matra from down. Only for R letter, we have to give O ki matra stomach of the R, middle of the R. Ru. The sound is same, Ru. But the matra sign is from the middle of the letter, stomach of the letter, not from the down. And for badi O ki matra, we always give badi O ki matra this way, yes? Down towards right. But for letter R, this is also wrong. How we have to give for the letter R? You have to write R and circle and come down. It's completely again from the middle, from the stomach of the letter. So only for letter R, this is the change. O ki matra not from the down, it's from the stomach of the letter or middle of the letter. Yes? Then, after O ki matra, we always give Ri ki matra for all the letter, like this one curve down. Yes, but only for R letter there is no any Ri ki matra. So I'm just keeping dash in that place. After that again everything is same as it is. R को A की मात्रा 1 balloon up रे, R को I की मात्रा 2 balloons up right, R को O की मात्रा 1 balloon up with 1 standing line, R को औ की मात्रा 2 balloons up with 1 standing line, 2 balloons up with 1 standing line, R को अम की मात्रा रम, बिंदु और 2 dot that विसर्ग रहा. So everything is changed, only there is, everything is same, only change in O ki matra and there is not Ri ki matra for R. This is change only for the letter R. Other all the letters, all the Vyanjan and Sanyukta Vyanjan, we are keeping same matra sign. Same Bharakhadi. Only for R, we are O ki matra, we are not giving from the down, it's from stomach of the R and there is no Ri ki matra. Clear everyone? Yes? I want answers from everyone in chat box. Clear? So remember only for letter R, this is a small change. Other everything is same as it is. Very nice. Those who are answering in chat box, thank you so much. That means you are listening carefully. Very good. Okay. So next we will go for the bar now in PPT. Just give me 1 minute. We'll see the PPT again. That year lover barakhadi. Okay. Let's start. So Antastha Vyanjan, when the sound come from inside, from your things, from the stomach. Yes, y, r, l, v. The four sounds are completely different. So what are the sounds? Y, r, l, and v. These four letters we are going to see the barakhadi now. य में आ की मात्रा या, य में छोटी ई की मात्रा ई, य में बड़ी ई की मात्रा ई, य में ओ की मात्रा यू, य में बड़ी ओ की मात्रा यू, य में री की मात्रा युरु, or we can say yuru, ru or ri, but maximum times we will use the sound like ri. Then य में ए की मात्रा ये, य में आई की मात्रा यई, य में ओ की मात्रा यो, य में औ की मात्रा यौ, य में अम की मात्रा यम, य में आह की मात्रा यहा. Now the second letter r, we have just seen what is the difference in r. बराखड़ी, र में जब अ मिक्स होता है तब र में जब आ होता है then one standing line रा, र में छोटी ई की मात्रा before the letter री, then बड़ी ई की मात्रा, big sound, stretch the sound, री, र में ऊ की मात्रा, you can see the ऊ मात्रा is not from the down, it's from stomach of the r. Touch, you have to touch the letter and you have to do the U ki matra. See, this is R and choti U you have to touch and you have to give the matra sign. This is Ru. And this Ru, for this you have to do the circle and then come down. Do the circle and come down. This is Ru. So, what is the difference? छोटी ओ and बड़ी ओ की मात्रा you have to make circle and then come down, and for छोटी ओ touch that middle of the r and come down. Okay. Now there is no any री की मात्रा for letter r. र में ए की मात्रा रे, र में आई की मात्रा रई, र में ओ की मात्रा रो, र में औ की मात्रा रौ, र में अम की मात्रा रम, र में आह की मात्रा रहा. So other all the matra signs are same. Next, the next letter is L. L में a, L में आ की मात्रा ला, ल में छोटी ई की मात्रा ली, ल में बड़ी ई की मात्रा ली, ल में उ की मात्रा लू, ल में बड़ी ऊ की मात्रा लू, ल में री की मात्रा ली, and this also very rare words we have with ल को री की मात्रा, 1 or 2 words. ल में ए की मात्रा ले, ल में आई की मात्रा लई, ल में ओ की मात्रा लो, ल में औ की मात्रा लऊ, ल में अम की मात्रा लम, ल में आह की मात्रा लहा. And the last one is व. व, वा, वी, वो, वे, वाई, वो, वौ, Vam and Vaha. The others, all the matras are same. Let's see the beginning letter words. First, here say Yagya. Yagya means homam. Normally in temple you can see this kind of home. Yagya. Here say Yagya. R say Rath, Chariot, Rath, Chariot. normal kings and queens are coming from these chariots. रथ के ऊपर बैठ के राजा रानी आते हैं. ल से लट्टू. लट्टू means top. In your toy cupboard you can find this. And va se varsha. Va se varsha. Varsha means rain. Varsha means rain. So these are 4 letters from Antastha Vyanjan. Ya, ra, la, va. Now after Antastha Vyanjan, the last 4 letters of the Vyanjan are Ushma Vyanjan. Ushma Vyanjan, we have seen that 4 letters. That first is sh, then again sh, then sa, and then ha. These 4 letters, whenever you are pronouncing this, we can feel little bit of hot air. So we say Ushma. Ushma means garam, hot. So the Barakhari is same as it is. The Matra sign is same as it is. How it is for the all the letters. Here in this chart, there is some spelling, that is you have to use sh, sh for the first all the row. Sh, sh. The second also s. Someone who is doing this? Someone is sharing screen. What's going on? साधना मैम देखिए किसने शेयर किया है. Someone has shared this screen. Please don't touch the
Yes,
screen.
ma'am.
Jaganvel, 2F.
Jaganvel.
Why are you touching the screen, dear? Yes? You should listen what teacher is teaching. Then assessment time, it will not doubts and problems for you. Okay? Clear it. Don't touch the screen. Okay, so we are looking about Ushma Vyanjan. So for first sh, you can use the English spelling sha, sh. Like second also you can use the same spelling, or you can use these kind of things. But the pronunciation is the same, sh only. The first also sh, and the second is also sh. So sh, 1 minute. श में अ श, देन श में आ की मात्रा शा, श में छोटी ई की मात्रा शी, श में बड़ी ई की मात्रा शी, श में छोटी ऊ की मात्रा शु, श में बड़ी ऊ की मात्रा शु, श में री की मात्रा श्री, श में ए की मात्रा शी, श में आई की मात्रा शई, श में ओ की मात्रा शो, श में औ की मात्रा शौ, श में अम की मात्रा शम, and sh में आह की मात्रा शहा. So this is the first letter sh. The next also the same spelling, same sound. Sh, sha, shi, she, shu, shu, shri or shru, she, shai, sho, shau, sham, shaha. There is no any change. The third letter is sa. Sa, say save. We have learned save means apple. Sa and sh. There is a change. Sh, you have to add her sound. Sa, there is no any her sound. So sa में आ की मात्रा सा, स में छोटी ई की मात्रा सी, स में बड़ी ई की मात्रा सी, स में छोटी ऊ की मात्रा सु, स में बड़ी ऊ की मात्रा सु, स में री की मात्रा श्री, स में ए की मात्रा से, स में ऐ की मात्रा सई, स में ओ की मात्रा सो, स में औ की मात्रा सौ, स में अम की मात्रा सम, स में आह की मात्रा सह. Last letter of the व्यंजन that is ह. ह से हाथी, elephant. Yes, ह. ह, हा. ह में ई की मात्रा ही, ह में बड़ी ई की मात्रा ही, ह में ओ की मात्रा हु, ह में बड़ी ओ की मात्रा हु, ह में री की मात्रा री एंड फ्रू. एनीथिंग. ह में ए की मात्रा है, ह में ऐ की मात्रा हई, ह में ओ की मात्रा हो, ह में आओ की मात्रा हाउ, ह में अम की मात्रा हम एंड लास्ट ह में हा आहा की मात्रा हा. So all these Ushma Vyanjan, sh, sh, s, h, the first letter also sh, her sound, S-H-A, and the second letter is also the same sound, but the letter is different, and maximum time the first sh we will use in the most of the words. Let's see the words begin with the letter sh. Say shalgam, turnip, shalagam. Next, sh say shatkona is a hexagon shape. Shatkona. Na, the last letter, the last letter. Na. Then sa say sapera. Sapera means who's catching the snake. Snake catcher, sapera. And her say hull. Hull this we use in farm. Plough. We say shalgam, shatakon, sapera, and hull. So this is all about the barakhadi of all the Vyanjan letters. All the Vyanjan letters we have seen the barakhadi. Still there are some more barakhadi of Sanyukta Vyanjan. Sanyukta Vyanjan we have seen 4 letters. Kshatra, Gyashra.
Yes,
That also the
Smita ma'am.
yes
Sorry to
ma'am.
interrupt. Yes, Jaganvel, off your video. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So that's Sanyukta Vyanjan barakhadi also with the same matra sign. First we will finish our LSR, then we will go for that. Any doubts in Vyanjan? Any doubts? If you have any doubts, you can write in chat box doubt or in call your name. Yes? Any doubts? No. Okay. No doubts. Good. So what you have to do today? You have to write in your rough note all those barakhadi. Okay? I can understand your hand will pain. So every day 5 barakhadi you have to write. Every day 5 barakhadi. Okay? Done? Yes. Very good. Good children, all of you. Every day 5 barakhadi. If you start from today, start today K varga barakhadi, tomorrow Ch varga barakhadi. Yes, Linda.
I am daily write Barakadi, ma'am.
Wow, very good. This is really very good. If you write daily, then it will be easy for you to read and write the words and sentences. Yes,
Ma'am, my name is Meenachi. I'm Kavarga finished, ma'am.
very good, very good. So everyone has to practice for the barakhadi because after that we are going to start the lessons. Okay. The very easy lesson we are going to start the first one, but first you have to finish the barakhadi practice reading and writing, so it will be easy for you to read the words. Okay dears? Yes, I read Vastaya Kova. What? 1 minute. I read Payasa Kova in Hindi. What? Sadhna ma'am? Pyasa Kova. Okay, okay. Pyasa Kova. Thirsty crow. Very good, Nandekha. I thought she was written something in Tamil. Okay, okay, fine. Sadhna ma'am, you can start taking name.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Brinda. Brinda, K Brinda from 2D.
Ma'am. Ma'am, I am Brinda, ma'am.
Yes, dear.
Yes, I'm right. I'm writing something on the whiteboard. You have to read.
Ma'am.
Read this.
Ma'am, your voice is slow, ma'am.
Which letter is this on the whiteboard?
Ma'am, your voice is slow, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Read this, Brinda.
Read this, Brinda.
Ta.
This is not read carefully.
La.
Now sing the Parakati.
La. La. Ri. Ru. Re. Ro. Ram. Raha.
Very nice, but for R there is no any Riki Matra, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Remember this, there is no any Riki Matra. Okay, mute yourself.
2E, Dharni. A is Dharni.
Ma'am, Rara. Yes, ma'am. One more. Read, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Brinda, very good. Yes, Harini, you have to tell me which letter is this.
Ch.
Now sing Ch Varga Barakhadi. Ch Barakhadi, sorry.
Cha. Chi. Chu. Shru. Chai. Chow. Cham. Chah.
Very nice, excellent. Very clear and very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Mute yourself. Yes, Kamakshi, do you have any doubts?
Dhanyavad. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ask.
Ma'am, Rara, one more tell, ma'am.
Okay. See, in all Barakhadi, all the matras are same. Only for letter R is a change. That is R. R ko A ki matra Ra. This we are giving same. R ko choti E ki matra before the letter Ri. This is also same like all the letters. Then badi E ki matra after the letter, that is also same. So what is the difference in only in U ki matra? So for letter R, U ki matra is not from the down, it's from the stomach of the R letter. Okay, it's Ru. And badi U ki matra is also not from down, it's from stomach of the letter. But circle and come down. Yes, Ru. And there is no any Ri ki matra. No any Ri ki matra. This matra we are giving, right? Every letter. But for only R, we are not giving this Ri ki matra. And the other things are same as it is. That's Re, one balloon up, Rai, two balloons up, Ro, one balloon up with one standing line, Rau, two balloons up with one standing line, Ram, one bindu, and Raha, two dots nearby. That's Visarga. So the change is only in Uki Matra and there is no any Riki Matra. Clear now? Clear, Kamakshi?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am. Next name, ma'am. Sadhana, ma'am.
Sanjay M from 2F. M Sanjay 2F.
Clear, ma'am.
Very nice. Sanjay. है क्या प्रेजेंट है इज ही
वही
प्रेजेंट
देख रही हूँ मैम एब्सेंट है मेरे ख्याल से नहीं है मैम
ओके नेक्स्ट नेम
दीक्षिता MS 2D MS दीक्षिता from 2D
yes Dikshita from 2D are you there Dikshita from 2D no. Next name ma'am
Janvika, P from 2E.
और एक बार लीजिए.
Janvika, P Janvika from 2D.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Which letter is this?
Ta.
हाँ. Can you sing the Barakhadi?
Ta ta. Ti ti. Tu tu. Tru. Te. Tai. Ai. To to. Tam. Ta. Ta.
So, very good. So, tau, tam, taha. Next time you just try not to take anyone's help, dear. Okay? Everyday practice, then you will be pakka in this. Yes, dear? Very good. Good try. Yes, next name, ma'am.
B Vignesh 2F. B Vignesh from 2F.
Yes, Vignesh, read this. Vignesh, read this. You have unmuted.
Sound doesn't.
Loudly. Hello?
Sound சொல்லு. ஆ. Sound பா. பா. ஆ. ஆ.
Per Barakhadi, can you say per Barakhadi? I'm writing, read.
பா. Sound சொல்லு. பே. பம்.
Yes. Vignesh. It's per, pa, pi, pi, pu, pu, pri, pe, pai, po, pau, pam, paha. Okay, Vignesh? Practice every day. We can call you one more time next period. Okay? Vignesh.
Okay, ma'am, சொல்லு.
Yes, I'm going to call you next time. You have to practice. Yes, mute yourself. Next name, ma'am.
हो गया मैम, बस इतने ही नाम थे. 2 एब्सेंट हैं, बाकी 4 ने बोल दिया.
Okay, okay, fine. So it's 8:59. Class is going to over. So practice, all of you, daily practice for the Barakhadi. So it will be easy once we start lessons, words, sentences. Okay, dears? Fine? Yeah, very good, very good. It's 1 more minute, so you can on your video and then you can say bye to your friends. Thank you so much. Jai Gurudev. Have a
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye. Thank you, ma'am. Bye. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.